Okay, pool update time. We are now complete with all of the framework for the deck. I'm gonna see if I can show this to you. Okay, I'm gonna walk around it. The framework goes all the way around, and we completed it. We have a couple more pieces to handle inside the pier, which is right there, which is also where our skimmer will sit, kind of on a shelf underneath it. My husband stayed up until 4 o'clock in the morning 2 nights ago, finishing the pump house and all of its components that are inside. And we are finishing up the rest of the plumbing tonight. The way that the plumbing works in these pools, we will be pulling the water out of the deep end and then taking it through underneath the deck over to the regeneration area, and we've already got that plumbed in underneath the gravel so that when it pushes the water out, it comes up through the roots of the plants, and that of course is what cleans the water. So it's like a little biofilter right here. You see the plumbing that kind of goes down through there. We got what was going to be a gazebo is now going to be a pergola. That's ready to go on the additional framing, but that's going to be held off for a little bit. We've also got a patio to put in and stuff. My main concern is getting the stinking water in this thing, which we are hoping we will be able to start filling this thing by the weekend. We still have the walkway to do on that little thing right there. It's an underwater walkway, and then we have the steps to build. But other than that, we are so close to getting the water in. So that's today's update.